Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we're making the bee's knees. The bee's knees was a Prohibition era cocktail designed to mask the flavor of poor quality spirits. In this case, bathtub gin. The cocktail was such a huge hit, they call it the bee's knees, which was slang at the time for the best. Also, bees make honey. Honey is an ingredient. Honey syrup, lemon juice, gin. Let's make the bee's knees. Using 2 ounces of gin. We're using Blue Coat gin today. This is a very heavy notes of citrus. Great pairing for the cocktail. Next, we're using fresh lime juice. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. 1/2 ounce honey syrup. Add ice. Sugar pint and shake. We have a chilled Coupe Glass on the side. We're gonna empty the water and ice, and we're gonna strain up. Final step, garnish. We're gonna garnish with a lemon peel. Give it a spritz, and we're gonna drop it right in there. There you have it, the bee's knees. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. I can see why this drink was created. You can't taste the gin. So if you, at your house, have a poor quality gin in the closet full of dust that off and make a bee's knees. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to our channel. We're on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thank you, goodbye.